This video will show you how to navigate your Google Ninja course, including joining Google Classroom and how you can turn in and access the assignments. There are a couple of different ways to log into Google Classroom for the first time. You can go to classroom.google.com and click sign in, or if you're already logged into Google, like your Gmail account, you can go to the apps menu and click on the apps menu and find Google Classroom. Either way, it does not matter. But do remember, you will be using your East Cleveland Gmail account. So like I said, if you're logged into your Gmail account already, you can go to your Gmail and go to your apps menu and click on Classroom. Or if you're not logged in, you can go to classroom.google.com and sign in. If you're signing in, remember, it's your East Cleveland Gmail account. And once you're signed in, it will ask you if you're a student or a teacher. Make sure you click on I'm a teacher even though you're a student in my class, because in the future you're going to be using it as a teacher. And then you will have a Get Started button. Once you are in Google Classroom, there is a plus sign you can click, and you are going to be joining a class. Later, you'll be using Create a Class when we get to the end of this course and you are creating your own class for Google Classroom. Click on Join Class and then put in the teacher code that I sent in the email, the class code. Here it is for your reference. It is OX5PRS9. Once you put the class code in, you should see Google Ninja Session 1. To access the course, simply click on the name of the course. The course stream is where you'll find all assignments and resources. I have set up the assignments from top down. So the first assignment is at the top. There's Google Ninja Session 1, Session 2, and so on and so forth. So to access the later lessons, you will keep scrolling down. When you're using this in a classroom, it usually doesn't work this way, but since this is an open-ended class and everybody can work at their own pace, it was the easiest way to do this. You will see the directions, and each session is set up the same way. You have a video to review, which is right here. You have a document with links for all the tutorials. You need to watch all the tutorials to learn how to do the different skills for the different assignments. And the third link is the assignment. Now I'm going to show you how to turn in your assignment from my student view, but it's actually going to be in a different course because I'm unable to add myself as a student because I don't have another email address that I can use. So all you have to do to access the video is click on the video and it will start to play. To check out the links for all the tutorials, open the links document and simply click on the links. You need to watch all the tutorials because everything that tutorials cover, you will be asked to do in the assignment for each session. Then here is your assignment. And the assignments for the first 3 sessions have 2 parts. A part where you're actually creating an artifact using docs or forms or slides, and then a reflection piece where you're going to create yourself a Google Doc and answer the question. When you've completed an assignment or want to open the document to complete part 2 of your assignment, I'm going to show you. Now I know this is not our class, but like I said, I cannot show you in student view and it's different. So let's pretend this is Google Ninja course. To get to the place where you turn in the assignment, you will click on the name of the assignment or click on open. When you do that, it shows you the complete assignment, including the directions and the resources. And down here, it says your work. Files you add or create can be viewed or edited by your teacher. This is where you are going to add and create a file. So for example, Google Forms asks you to create a Google Doc and do some formatting. To add it, you can simply go to Add, click on Google Drive, and it will take you to your Google Drive where you can find the document. And this is just showing recent. So if it wasn't recent, I could click on My Drive and find the document and give a click on it and add it. So it will show up. Here is my added document. Now, you're asked to create a reflection and answer a question. You can either go into your Google Docs and create a doc, and when you're done with it, add it. Or you can also go to create a document, and this will create a document within the assignment, and you can open it up and answer the question. So I could write my reflection. Simply go back to Google Classroom, and when you are ready and you have attached your document or your form or your slide, you simply, and have created a reflection, you simply click Turn In. For the Google Classroom 2 assignments, where you're actually just creating something in Google Classroom, you can just simply go in and click Turn In and not actually add or create anything to let me know that you are done with the assignment. If you have any questions at all, feel free to email me for clarification.